One video cannot change your entire life, but one video can change the direction of your life forever. If you truly want a new direction, if you really want to change your life, then disappear for 6 months. Yes, just like you shut down your computer, shut down this noisy world. Cut every useless connection. Stop wasting time on people who bring nothing to your life. Stop scrolling. Stop chasing distractions. For just 6 months, focus on one person only, yourself. Become invisible to the world and unforgettable when you return. Because if you don't take time to improve your life will never improve. Remove every negative person, every negative thought, everything that pulls you away from your dreams. Let go of the habits that are killing your ambition. It's time to become the person you want to be, the person your parents would be proud to see, the person you promised yourself you would become. Behind closed doors, when you sacrifice, when you grind, when you stay disciplined, success opens every door for you. Your results will speak louder than your words ever could. Ask yourself honestly, am I happy with my life? Do I want to live like this forever? If the answer is no, then don't complain, change. Write down the qualities you must build to live a life you are proud of. Then fight for those qualities like your future depends on them, because it does. Say it to yourself. I refuse to live a life I am not proud of. I deserve better, and I will achieve better. Remember, you can live an extraordinary life, but it won't happen magically. It happens when you change your effort. People who fight for a better life are the only ones who get it. So decide, how will you spend your time? On complaints or on growth? On social media or on self-development? Talking about dreams or building them? Success isn't cheap. It demands a price, sacrifice, hard work, discipline, consistency. Choose the hard road today, and life will become easier tomorrow. Choose the easy road today, and life becomes painful tomorrow. If you want a powerful future, step out of your comfort zone. Learn, grow, try new things, evolve every single day. Your time starts now. Disappear, work in silence, return with results, and let your success make the noise.